Hey guys, it's Desert Dave, and today we're going to show you how to make my bourbon and honey glazed back ribs. You'll love them. Perfect for those summer barbecues. I want to give a quick shout out to Epicurious. This recipe was originally from their cookbook, and I have since modified it a little to my flavor. You can change it to however you like. We're going to get our 2 cookie sheets, or you could use 2 shallow casserole dishes, would work as well. Get our aluminum foil laid out, enough to make our boats with, which we'll show you how to do here in a few minutes. And we're going to lay our 2 racks out meat side up. We're going to lay them meat side up so that we can salt and pepper the side of it before we flip it over and do the back side of the rib. And it's just enough to give it a little flavor before it goes in the oven. Now we're going to make our boats. On the left, I have already made 1 boat. And on the right, we're going to get our other boat ready to set sail. These boats are just to surround the rib and hold in the pineapple juice as they bake. So you can get pineapple chunks in juice, not syrup, if you just want to use the juice that way. Or you can get a can of pineapple juice like this, or they even sell a big bottle. But we want to put a half cup of pineapple juice on each rack. I know that each of these pineapple chunk cans have about a half cup in them, so that's what I'm using this time. And then you get to eat the chunks after. A little snack. The cook always loves to snack. So you see I've closed up 1 boat. It's ready to set sail. You just want to pinch it all along the edges. Get it nice and closed. And we'll do the same to the other boat. And if they leak a little bit, it's okay. They're still going to come out good. Just so long as they don't sink. We don't want a Titanic here. And you're going to bake at 350 degrees for about an hour. Just glaze. While our ribs are baking, we're going to go ahead and knock out our glaze. So it's got 11 ingredients. There's honey, bourbon, hoisin sauce, Dijon, plum sauce, molasses, soy sauce, Worcestershire, that Asian chili paste like oleek, and salt and pepper. Use raw honey. Please do yourself a favor. Get some local honey. Okay, our ribs are out. We're going to let them cool for just a minute before we cut them in half, like 10-15 minutes. You don't want to burn your hands when you're doing this. Let them cool off a little bit. It's okay. We're going to get our ribs ready to go out to the grill. We're going to grill them on medium, brush frequently, and turn every few minutes. That's the key, guys. We want to get this glaze on there nice and golden brown. You'll actually see the ribs turn color as we barbecue them here. They get that nice golden glaze on them. You can see it already starting there. You want to turn them every 3 to 5 minutes. I find you need to turn them more often at the beginning when you first put them on. The ribs absorb a little more heat quickly at that time. You got a higher chance of burning them. So you want to glaze them, but don't burn them. A little char on there is fine, like I've got. It gives it some flavor. Hey, that's it, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoy these with your family and friends as much as I always do. Oh, yeah. Like, subscribe, share. I'll be there.